I just made it from Costa Rica down to San Juan Del Sur in Nicaragua. The beach here is kind of the postcard image that brings a lot of people to this place. However, it is a fishing village. This isn't really a swimming or surfing beach. In the morning, the beach is a little bit empty here. However, by the time the sun sets, it really livens up. Families come out and bring their kids to play in the water. You might even catch a volleyball game on the beach. Around town, you've got every type of eating experience that you could want, from vegan to sushi. You can rent a motorcycle, you can get surfing lessons, you can get a van from one of the hostels to one of the neighboring beaches. The one thing to be aware of is that if you want to get like fruits or vegetables, there's only one place to do it, and that's the Central Market. They have all kinds of stuff in there, and they also have little restaurants that are pretty much the most local eating experience that you can get in the whole town. Also, it's important to note that right outside the Central Market is where all the buses line up that go to Rivas. That's really important because Rivas is where you would go if you wanted to go to Isla Tepa or if you wanted to go to Managua. And my favorite place to go every single night was the San Juan Del Sur Cerveceria, which had a pretty good selection of beer. Really good amber and a really good dark also. So definitely check that out if you get the chance.